see. What you got, man? What are you up to?
He sees archaeological things around the backyard.
No, that's a tennis ball. Oh, God. You broke the string in your organ.
Okay, good afternoon. It's February. We're coming up to the 2-year anniversary of the YouTube channel, but this is more about our learning here. As you all know, I've been going to school at New Horizons in Boston. Take a look at that. I'm not sure which one I'm at here, but I'm going for a comp TIA plus certification, desktop support. And I've got this wonderful manual, and I've got some great teachers in there. And you know, we're going to do what we can here. Learned a lot from Gordon. This is for you, Gordon. What the situation here is, from what Gordon told me, is that rather than take a computer apart that works, you may just to experiment with, try to get one that you don't mind if it doesn't work or if you can't put it back together properly. So what we've got here is, this is one of my son Riley's computers. It's called a nutshell, a clamshell. So I'm going to go through the proper troubleshooting methodology here. Number one, test the theory to determine actual cause, document resolution, blah, blah, blah. I'm going to skip right ahead here, and I don't know if you can see this, but the number 7 plan of action here would be, I'm sure if you can get that. I'm sure who wrote it in here, some wise guy. Shake component vigorously. We're documenting everything. We're also using, I've just lost it, I'm using the my old New Kids on the Block pencil here. You can see that. I'm not sure many of them around. There's that would be Bjorn, that would be Benny, that would be ABBA. Anyways, so we're going to shake the component vigorously. We're going to see what happens. Oh, wait a second. Geez, look at that. Well, that explains that. So that's one problem. Foreign coins here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's kind of a good one, at least. We are Irish here, aren't we? You can get a look at this. This is a good luck charm. Alright, pretty cool, huh? Remember that episode with Underdog? Alright. So that's one problem. So we're just gonna figure out what's going on here. Hey, you can't cook pizza with these, can you? Oh, let's be ready. Oh yeah! I knew that would work. Bon appetit. Good. Cooking great pizza. That was good. And cooks a really nice pizza. Alright, back to work. Oh, phone call coming in. Excuse me, folks. Oh, hey Riley, how you doing? The computer. You need your computer tonight? You're going to be right over? Am I done with it? Pretty close. Let me just close it right up. Yeah, but definitely. I'll see you in a few minutes. Uh-oh.